I'm going to show you how to install Google Translate on desktop. So you can install the Google Translate website as a desktop app using your browser. This gives you a standalone window with its own taskbar icon, making it feel like a native app. So let's install it using Google Chrome. Then open Google Chrome, then search for Google Translate. So open the first one that appears. So once you're here, you can sign into your account if you want to, but it's not necessary. So once you're here, click the three dots in the top right, then scroll down and look for Cast, Save, and Share. Now, what you need to do next is to click Install Page as App from the options. So click that, Install Page as App. Then from here, you can rename it. Then click Install to confirm the action. So once you click Install, it will now appear in your Start menu and can be pinned to your taskbar. So let me show you how to pin it to your taskbar. So just click the icon on your taskbar, right click on it. Then you can see Pin to Taskbar, then click on that and it will be pinned to your taskbar. You can also go to Start menu, then look for Google Translate, then just right click on it and you can see Pin to Taskbar, or you can uninstall it from there. Now you can also uninstall it in here. So open Google Translate, then click the three dots in the top right. Then just click Uninstall Google Translate. Now, if you're using Microsoft Edge, I'm going to show you how to install it as an app. So search for Google Translate, then scroll down and click their website. So once you're here, what you need to do is to click the three dots in the top right, then scroll down and look for more tools. So from the options, look for apps. So hover over to apps, then just click install this site as an app. So click that. You can rename it just like Google Chrome and then just click install, then wait for it. And that's it. So that's how you can install Google Translate on desktop. Thank you for watching.